Introduction of non-traditional machining process. An unconventional machining process, or non-traditional machining process, is a special type of machining process in which there is no direct contact between the tool and the workpiece. In unconventional machining, a form of energy is used to remove unwanted material from a given workpiece. Non-traditional manufacturing processes is defined as a group of processes that remove excess material by various techniques involving mechanical, thermal, electrical or chemical energy or combinations of these energies, but do not use a sharp cutting tools as it needs to be used for traditional manufacturing processes.